This piece of news is amazing for crypto. Let me explain why. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5 here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well wherever you are. Today, I'm going to be talking about some crypto news because I know I haven't been doing that in a while because, well, we were doing that on the live show, right? And if you were missing the live show, still there. It's just that we're going to be doing it on Friday. So check out the live show on Fridays. It is the daily hodl show. We should be weekly hodl show now, but whatever. We might come back to the daily, of course. We're just working and concentrating on the school. I think the school is very important. And if you're interested in going to that school, head over to b4b.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Check that out. We got a great new promotion for you guys. If you want to have 3 months access to the school, not only 3 months access to the school, but all the different products that we have. Or if you hit subscribe now, see here, you can see we have, you can join the actual classes for $50, live classes for $150, and for $3,000 almost, you can have live class one-on-one with me. We're going to be giving all that package away for less than $100. So you have to subscribe for the free classes first, right, in order to receive that offer. So make sure you sign up for the free class at least and get that offer. Okay, if you're new to this, make sure you head over to x.davincij15.com, x.dj15.com. Links in the description below so you can get Bitcoin at your favorite exchange. I have lots of exchanges. I'm going to be adding more here. So, and it will show you the exchange that you can go to based on your location. So, yeah, look out for that. Okay, the US dollar index dumped by 10% this year. Last time this happened was in 2008. I analyzed 30 years of USD cycles and patterns. Here's what's next and what will happen with BTC. Okay. This is an interesting thread, but the dollar doesn't matter. The dollar is collapsing. It'll always collapse forever and ever into the future. So you should not be storing your wealth in the US dollar. You should be selling those dollars and buying Bitcoin because Bitcoin has a fixed number. Duh. Right? If you want, right? Grayscale has debuted its first multi-asset crypto ETF on the New York Stock Exchange, right? They're going to be adding, they're putting in Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, XRP. Ooh, I don't know why they put a scam coin in there, but whatever. Solana, Cardano as well. So this is going to help those assets big time because a lot of people, feel they've missed the Bitcoin boat. They think that Bitcoin is not going to do well, but maybe it will. So that helps them hedge the bets. I don't think ETFs is the best way to buy Bitcoin and cryptos. You should buy them yourself directly and take possession of them. But hey, you know what? Most people want dollars, so that's a great way. If you're only focusing on getting more dollars, then yeah, this is a great way to actually get more dollars, right? Because that's all they're going to owe you, not the crypto. If you think you're just going to help out the crypto space, right, with your dollars, right, that you worked hard for, and then they're going to charge you for holding these cryptos. Well, so thank you guys if you buy this ETF for helping pump the markets, right? This is great for crypto, whilst not so great for the people who hold these ETFs because eventually they will get screwed, right? Because they're going to separate it, right? Because you're like, okay, what are you talking about? I'm going to get screwed. I don't get it. Okay. Did you know the US dollar was backed by gold? Yes? Okay. What happened? That's right. Nixon took it off the gold standard. Now, do you think somebody like Grayscale, who has all the assets, right, and gives you a promise to pay you in dollars, is not going to disconnect those promises against the asset? If the U.S. government did it, they're helpless. You're helpless. You need some serious help because we just went through the pandemic and you're not getting it. You're not getting it, right? You're not getting it. They will screw you. Okay? So that's that rant over. Let's move back to the rest of it. The EU chat control law would push users towards Web3 alternative experts, right? Privacy experts warn the EU chat control law could break encryption, erode trust in digital platforms, and push users toward decentralized Web3 solutions. Good. Why? Privacy should be the focus of everyone. The only one who should not be private is your government, but it's the other way around, right? So, with that said, right, since, the government does not want that, this is a good thing. Because it's coming, right? And there's no stopping this. There's no stopping any, and now they're going to say, oh, look what they're going to say. Combat child sexual abuse. Release the Epstein list. And there your combat is. Show me that that's true. But you're lying. So don't even say that. You son of a bitch, man. Lying. You see how they lie? There it is. So don't even play with this BS about combating, like helping the children, because that's bull. That's BS. And I'm not talking Bitcoin and Satoshis either. All right, just in, Swiss Bank acquires a little bit of MicroStrategy shares. They're not exactly stacking Bitcoin, but they want exposure. I see. That's good. That's a good thing. This is what is coming to a theater near you. And if you don't have any Bitcoin, well, you need to learn why. You need to figure that out and start getting some, because it is the money of the future. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. In fact, most of the wealth will come from the ending of the real estate boom. And you're like, real estate boom? Real estate will go up forever. Okay. Yeah, dollars, of course. Right? It will go up in dollars forever. It'll go to infinity, right? Because eventually the dollar will die. So, but if you want to talk about real value, the real value of your house, if you think you have all of this money, right, locked into your house, is what somebody can work and actually buy it for them. Not go out and borrow money, not print money, right, to go buy it. Actually buy it. Right now, the wealthy people can go out and print money and buy the house. But that's not realistic now, is it? So once enough people get that, understand that concept, they'll be running. And they're running straight to Bitcoin. Okay? So be ready. All right. With that said, let's get on to the charts and take a look at what the price action. Oh, Bitcoin. Why you gotta go and do that, Bitcoin? Why you have to go high and then come back lower? Well, it is what it is. You see, we're in the parking garage, broke out a little bit and failed. And so you can see it was destined to do that. But hey, are we going to go all the way to the target that I suggested that we'd go to? That was a little while back right here. Yeah, we're still headed up there. Looking at, and there's no AB. That's not an AB equals CD. I know it looked like, oh yeah, you predicted. No. That was just a trend line. Whoop. All right. So with that said, we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to turn around eventually, but we've cleared the gap. So there might be a little bit of a pullback here. I'd say maybe to the 61.8, most likely, of this whole move. And then right there, we're going to see the 61.8. And then we're going to revisit the 120K level. Oh my, what happened? Ethereum. Well, I mean, it was bound to happen, right? Because Ethereum was a little bit overextended itself. And yeah, it has failed heavily and come back down to the lows here pretty fast. How far can Ethereum go? I think we can see, I've always said that, on the 200 period moving averages, we're going to have to test it. We're going to bounce around for sideways, and we're going to be here for a while. We're going to be here for a very long time on Ethereum. because of this explosive move all the way to 5,000. A lot of people are here that bought Ethereum around $4,000. They're back and they're like, okay, thank God, I'm selling. So and then if they didn't sell, they're like, oh yeah, it's going to the moon. Now this pullback is supposed to shake them out of their position. So that's what it's all about. Oh, Solana almost gave me the target. Oh, so close. It looks like if we're going to have to like probably walk away from this trade because we could end up all the way back at the 206 because of the volatility of Solana. Yeah, we're going to have to you can see there's lots of Ming here. So we have to consider taking profits and then moving away from this trade as, Solana, knocks on the basement's door here and, this could fall out from underneath us. So you can see there, this is like, at the very least, we're here from here to here. Let's just say that's the target that's the M pattern that could take us all the way down at 215, which is good, but we could break all the way back down to the $200 levels very, very easily. So please, trade with caution with, Solana going forward. And if you're interested in trading, make sure you head over to x.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below, and you can choose the exchange that best suits you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.